Hi, I'm Marcy DeSantos. I'm the owner/manager of the store. Today we're here for the grand opening of Goldwagen Clearwater. The purpose of it is to build awareness and just showcase our store as we're a new branch. We've done something a little different this time around with the grand openings. We've introduced a bit of a car show. So we have a lot of suppliers here today. The role of the suppliers is to answer any questions you guys may have regarding the parts.
I'm Sean Gilbert from Goldwagen head office. We've exclusive agents for Goldstein in South Africa. We're having the opening of our store today, Goldwagen Clearwater, and that's a service that every Goldwagen offers on the opening. It's a free shock test and a suspension test for the visiting customers.
My name is Jacques van der Lely. I'm the head of sales for passenger car products at ZF Services South Africa. We are one of the clutch and shock suppliers into Goldwagen, and we're here to support the grand opening with the Goldwagen team. Today's event is fantastic. I think the team of Goldwagen Clearwater did a fantastic job putting this all together. We've got all the Goldwagen suppliers, you've got the car clubs here, you've got some vintage racing cars, so yes, fantastic. Glad to be here today.
My name is Grant Stevens. I've been in the trade for the last 4 decades or so. One of the success stories has been our relationship with the Goldwagen Group. They started off as Goldwagen in 1992, but because of the close association of the name, they had to change it to Goldwagen. But they approached us for supply of high quality automotive components. And essentially, Fairby Bilstein, which is a company that I represent, we run the South African operation. They basically had a relationship with Goldwagen since the very beginning.
My name is Ray. I'm here to buy some stuff at the Goldwagen new opening show. So I came out broke because I bought for most of the stuff already. So yeah, that's what I came here to buy stuff to service my car. The general vibe, it's nice. I enjoyed it. I saw some rare cars that I've never seen. I saw some modified cars that I've never seen. I've seen a lot of things, and I got some nice education from the stalls that were here. And I can say the shop inside looks quite futuristic.
My name is Marco. I'm the store owner of Goldwagen Clearwater. And yeah, today is a big day for us. We're having our grand opening. So yeah, we're very excited. So we decided to open a store here because we saw the potential in the area. We also thought that there was a little bit of lacking in this area, so we thought, I think a store will do well here. And yeah, that's why we opened it.
Thank you for being here. We hope that if you're in the area, Rudaport, you can come drop by, give us a visit. It's one of the newest, best looking stores out there.
Thank you for visiting us today. We are here in Clearwater, open Monday to Friday, Saturdays as well. And yeah, please come and visit us, show us your support, and we'd love to have you here.